Hi guys, today I am showing you something very cool. So, Toilet Dolphins, there's like a new update, the 2024 summer event. Well, if you go over here, so one of the units is the Seagull cameraman or whatever. So it's actually actually OP. So let's equip it. New farm and green laser. Let's go. Desert. So good nightmare. Let's go. Okay, just gonna. Oh my. No, there's an invisible wall. No! I need to place the farm. Wait, reset. Okay, place. Okay. Just want to get a green laser there so we don't, get oofed. Cactus. Okay, I'm gonna keep on farming and I'll see you when I. The dogs are very naughty. Okay, I'm gonna carry on farming and see you when I get the seagull. Okay, so I got the seagull. Let's place it. Okay, I can sell the green laser. Seagull spawns little seagulls. That seagull. Watch it destroy all these toilets. Another one's gonna spawn soon. But the toilets don't stand a chance. It's weird how a seagull can just destroy all these toilets. Where seagull's still going, he still has 15k health. Okay, there's another seagull spawning. The seagull was quacked. So I'll see you when I get more seagulls. Okay, I'm getting some more seagulls. Seagull army! Attack! Charge! We are not fighting the toilets, these little guys are. It's a very nice flying animation. Wait, shouldn't the toilets just be able to go under the seagulls? Like the seagull, like the small toilets are going way under the seagulls. Look, I'm getting more seagulls, and seagulls are actually really OP. I think they're better than engineer because you can place more of them, and they have a very max. They have a 5-second cooldown, which is way better than engineer. Okay, so my farms are maxed. Now I can start upgrading these seagulls. It's going to take quite a long time because, well, they have two. Each of them have two upgrades, but it's going to take a bit. So like, um, the toilets are getting like kind of destroyed by the. Okay, all these toilets in front here are going to get destroyed by the seagulls. Oh, there's assassins coming. What? Toilets going past the seagulls. It's not allowed. Whoa! It's not allowed. Oh, yeah, the toilets are getting quite far. That seems to be an issue. We, okay, why don't we all sit, okay, toilets, why don't we all sit down and talk about this? Maybe we don't have to destroy our base, which is somehow taking damage. So yeah, why don't we all just sit down and, yeah. That's a good idea, I think. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you all want to do that? Anyone? Okay, and just a quick question before we die. Bro's jetpack is moving. He's flying, and his legs aren't moving. Maybe skill issue. Okay. We're about to die here. If we die, maybe. I don't know. Okay, so we died, but it turns out the seagulls are actually pretty good. If yeah, it's like pretty good, but it seems like the cooldown isn't right. Like 5 seconds. Yeah, so that's the seagull caravan.